Links to the products in the description down below.
Support us, like and subscribe to ALIETOP.
Links to the products in the description down below. Links to the products in the description down below.
Digital display pivots, so it's easy to read no matter what the angle is. In other words, you shouldn't have to pick the fish too far up out of the water, because if you turn this towards you, you can grip the fish gripper like this, weigh the fish, and then simply open it up and let it go. Another feature of the Piscifun fish gripper is it's waterproof. Watch this. Stick it in the water, leave it underwater for a while, even 5 minutes. It's completely waterproof. So you don't have to worry about it in the boat, in rain, or for that matter out on the ice, which we'll be using this quite a bit for. The Piscifun fish gripper is also really powerful. There's actually 60 pounds of lift. So once you close this onto a big old catfish's face, you can pick up a 60-pound cat with no problem at all with this. Pick him up, get your picture, let him go into the water. The digital scale, once you set it, which we already have, all you have to do is hit the power, put it 0, then put your weight on it, and it'll lock. You got a consistent weight, and then that's going to be your weight. To reset the scale so that you can weigh another fish, all you have to do is just temporarily press the power button a little bit, hold the power button a little, it'll clear to 0, let it go, and then it'll be ready to weigh again. So the new Piscifun fish gripper and digital scale, brand new from Piscifun. Get yourself one today.
Links to the products in the description down below.
I got that mounted to my fishing rod. Again, it'll accommodate thicker blanks and thinner blanks. Just depends how you have this piece turned here. Again, I got a thinner blank, so I have it turned the opposite way. Okay, now you have your deal here. What you'll do is, for now, you can go ahead and pull this back and turn it so you can get this screwed in here. Just put this here in the hole, and you'll see on the back side there's a dial. Tighten her up, and what this does here, this piece, the spring-loaded piece here, you'll see it actually just keeps this in line, just like that. You can see it fits right there in that groove, right there. If I pull it out, see it can spin, and you can just lock it there in the groove when you're doing casting gear. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this line here to the spool, and we'll get to spooling. Alright guys, so I'm mounted onto my rod here, got the line tied to the spool. I'm good to go. Make the drag somewhat tight and start spooling. And you gotta admit guys, that's pretty slick. And for the sake of the video, we're not gonna spool all the way up, but that's how you would do it with a baitcaster. Now let me show you what you would do for a spinning reel. That is pretty darn slick, I don't mind saying so. I'll show you. Alright guys, now I have it mounted to a spinning rod. And with a spinning rod, obviously you want that mounted below the rod in line with the reel. And you come back to the spring deal here. That's where spring loaded. You want to pull that out and turn it. The way this can now spin freely. Okay? Keep your drag somewhat tight. Again, we're already tied to our spool here. Start spooling. And you'll see that the bulk spool there is spinning the same direction as my bail on my spinning reel. And that will help eliminate the line twists.
Like and subscribe, links to the in the product's description down below. See you next week with new selection of products from ALIETOP.